Why did I come here? Well, I came here because of the sheer audacity of the task that is being considered.
Crazy ideas, wonderful ideas, people coming from all walks of life.
Neurons firing at rapid speed.
My mind is blown.
The project is to host in Paris change makers that are developing new ways of learning, new ways of teaching, new approach to research, that are trying to open all this to as many people as possible.
This is a very special project because one of the focus of our educational program is to try and improve the success rate of students. Some of them are not inside usual boxes, they're not fit to the standard academic system, so we need to have other types of education.
In some ways, we need to teach things completely differently. We need to take very different approaches. And we've learned a lot on education side, etc., on how to do things, but those haven't actually made it into science.
We have so many exciting things going on in our university investigative laboratories, and we tend not to teach with those teachable moments.
Saturday we got the best practices from all over the world that came, and we heard a hacker mom explaining how she is teaching her kids differently these days. We heard students that says that they are learning so much more outside of the classroom, and we heard about scientists that bring gamers to contribute to solve problems that they cannot solve alone in their labs.
You know, what is really great about this program is that people have been, of course, talking about interdisciplinarity and kind of cross-disciplinary teams and all of that. And I think this really, puts the resources and where the talk is. There is actually, programs that are being created and research programs and a research agenda. And I think that's really important because in research, you need long-term sustainability to make things happen, and so this is just a launch of something bigger.
The whole weekend's been extremely nice for seeing all the different types of approaches people have been taking, all the different types of tools. We should use every tool at hand when we're trying to teach people what they're going to need and think about for solving tomorrow's problems.
I want to educate teachers about the problems facing the next generation in terms of achieving a sustainable society. So we have plans not only to educate teachers, but then to support them in the classroom when they educate their students, and to connect them with other teachers internationally who are doing the same kind of stuff, and in the process do research on learning and education.
No one knows what learning really is, and if one can make it better, that would be the basic question.
I've been furiously writing notes and gathering all these ideas. I'm going to report back at the National Science Foundation where I work right now with a lot of enthusiasm for what's happening here and also the future opportunities that are available for French-American collaboration in science and education and beyond that.
If I wanted, I could go home with maybe 15 collaborations, which all would be worthwhile doing, but yeah, see, that's the problem of this event. It's much too fruitful.
On Sunday, we were really trying to dream of what is going to be this new institute. How can we build it together? How can we use the advice from the best international experts and bring this dream into a reality in France in the coming years?
Things are really moving in many institutions in the same direction. That what seemed weird and probably impossible a few years ago now seems like almost a common theme.
So many new ideas basically I learned from here, especially how we can use a digital tool for education. So hopefully some of the new projects will get the pace or get a momentum, and I'm very optimistic about the future basically.
I would say something to François and to this new institute. That's shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you land among the stars.